expect, I think, a great 72 hours, 3 days of new ideas, creativity, networking with different people, different backgrounds.
Ideas, projects, thinking and networking and everything, meeting new people.
Yeah, I just want to have fun here.
My idea was Planet
for making psychology more accessible.
Move on with their life, like giving them like second chance.
We will put you into teams which you would have never worked with before.
We came in here with actually 3 separate ideas, and actually our team is actually formed with 3 leaders.
We're just missing our leader. He's not here yet.
Why are you guys? There's no leader here. You're all as a teammate.
We're progressing slowly. As we're a team of 6 people, everyone wants to put in his input, so it's a bit of work to take into account everything.
So we're doing market research.
I have no idea what we're doing for now.
Yeah, exactly.
But until tomorrow,
yeah,
we'll be finished.
Where are you going, Adam?
Okay, so okay, you did get it out.
Finding the product in supermarket because it is difficult to find and it is big.
Solution, GPS of supermarket. So actually, I want you to speak out the word clear.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We think we are.
Our company Lu Agua, Lu for Luxembourg, Agua for Latin word of aqua, water.
Who of you has ever had a plan that just died within a month?
It was a long 72 hours, it was a long journey, and we really changed our idea almost every day.
They've done an amazing transformational job of being in a challenging space where everybody tells them it's not going to work, there are only problems, and within a couple of hours they did their own magic when talking to their potential customers and partners.
Our official testing pitch was at 3 a.m. this morning only, the very first one.
It works so well together. We were until 5 in the morning here, and
there was no night. She had the night. We had party all night long.
It's a really unique opportunity, and I want to say the organizers definitely, invested a lot in us, just of their time. And the good thing is, I feel like a lot of the participants invested their time right back, and so a lot of people were sleeping here and really taking their ideas to the next step. That was very interesting to be part of.
Who of you has ever had a plan that then finally just died within a month?
Landscape!
Honestly, it was as fantastic as it was
Pitchfork.
demanding and tiring and all sorts of things, and it was really a great experience all in all. And yeah, I learned a lot. Oh, the next step.
Sleep right now. Sleep right now. Please sleep.
Right now, sleep.